Make P the subject of the simple interest formula. I equals to PRT divided by 100. B. Hence, find the principal which earns an interest of 29,750 naira in 14 years at a rate of 5% per annum. Solution. Solution to the first part of the problem. From the given formula, I equals to what? PRT divided by 100. I want to make P the subject of the formula. So the first thing to do is to write the left-hand side as a fraction. We can write this as I over 1. The next step is to cross multiply. By cross multiplying, what are we having? 100i equals to, that is I times 100, that's 100i, equals to PRT times 1, that is PRT. I want to make P the subject. Then it means that we need to remove RT beside P. So so the next thing for us to do is to divide both sides by RT. Dividing both sides by RT. RTN1, RTN1. Then P equals to 100i divided by RT. That is the solution to the first part of the problem. Second part. Hence, find the principal find the principal which earns an interest of 29,750. Now we're given interest I equals to 29,750 in 14 years. And from this formula, the time represents 14 years, which is T. 14 years. And at a rate represents R. R equals to 5%. So in this case, since we want to find the principal, and the principal is denoted as P in this question, which is P. So we are going to use the results of the first part of this problem to solve the second part. So we have P to be equals to 100i divided by RT. So in this case, we are going to substitute. Anywhere we see I, we substitute it as what? 29,750 divided by what? R, which is 5. Then times T, which is what? 70. Times T. T is 14 years. It is 5 times 14 that will give us 70. So our T is 14 years. So in this case, we have P to be equal to what? 100 times 29,750 divided by 5 times 14 is 70. So in this case, simplifying, 0 we cancel 0 here. Now, I will have 100 times, how many 7 are we going to see in 29? 7 in 29 is 4. So we have 4 there. 7 in 29 is 4. Remainder what? Remainder 1, because 7 times 4 is 28. So how many 7 are we going to see in 17? That is 2. 7 in 17 is 2. Because 7 times 2 is 14. Take away 14 from 17. We have what? 3 left. So here is going to be, we put 3 in front of this 5 again. So 7 in 35, we have 5. So in this case, in a nutshell, it means that 29,750. 29,750 divided by 7 will give us 425. We can multiply that one out. 425 times 7. What are we going to have? 7 times 5. Okay, there's no 0 there again. It is 2,975 divided by 7. That will give us 425. 2,975. So let's multiply 425 by 7. 7 times 5, that is 35. So we write 5 and carry 3. 7 times 2, that is 14. 14 plus 3, that is 17. Then we carry 1. 7 times 4, that is 28. 28 plus 1, that is 29. So we can see that the product of 425 and 7 will give us 2,975. So now, we now have 100, because here 7 here 1 and 7 in 2,975 give us 425. So we have 100 times 425 here left. So it means that we now have this to be what? 42500. So it means that P equals to 42,500 naira. So from this question, we can now conclude that the P, which is principal, is 42,500 when the interest is 29,750 in 14 years at the rate of 5%. Thank you.